the hard part is done, right? Not so fast. I mean, you knew what you were doing when you were writing the book, but publishing it? It's not your thing. Yeah, and there are writing query letters, finding an agent, and lots more. I mean, you're a storyteller, not a publisher. Your book has been a long-time dream of yours, along with quitting your day job. You know, the dream you kept seeing during those writing. But seriously, it shouldn't be this hard to fulfill that dream. Wouldn't it be great if there was an easy, clear, and free way? Well, Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing has exactly that. You write your book's description. You're the author, and you choose what categories your book will appear under in order to help your new readers find it easily. Again, it's your call. From content to price is totally up to you. Also, did we mention your work appears in the Kindle store within about a day? Yeah, how great is that? Not years, months, or even weeks. Right now, to all your favorite big-name authors. Available to readers worldwide. Plus, oh, did we forget to mention? It's completely free, and you get up to 70% royalties on your preferred currency. Hey, listen, you don't have to convince us your book deserves to be published. See, everyone now has a chance to publish independently, whether it's newly written work or it's been waiting on a shelf for years. That's right. Remember that first book you wrote years ago? The one that's been collecting dust on your hard drive? Yeah, that one. Well, now it will get an opportunity to see daylight. Or, readers. KDP also gives you access to real-time reports on your book sales. You can also create your own free author page on Amazon using Author Central. You've got a great story. And Kindle Direct Publishing is here to help you get it to your readers. Find out more at kdp.amazon.com.